What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a very, I could say sad. I could say maybe, pretty much the end. If you guys remember the diesel video I did a while back where I said pretty much the deleted world is over. It's not over, but let's just say the end is near. Now, I know you guys heard about this whole EasyLink ordeal. And if you haven't, well, here's the scoop. Is the EPA is suing EasyLink. And you can find all of this, and I'm gonna post the link. And the only reason I'm looking at it is because I want to get more info on it. But I'm gonna post this link right here. It says here, Manhattan, U.S. attorney sues automobile device manufacturer EasyLink. Its owners, yada, yada. I'm not gonna read the whole thing to you, but I'll put the link if you guys wanna read it. Long story short, if you don't want to read this, pretty much EasyLink is getting sued by the EPA for, it's saying, selling controlled defeat devices. And they're saying that is a violation of the Clean Air Act for pollution. This is my, 2 cents of this whole thing. And then I'm gonna get to the main part that all you guys wanna know and why this is going to be very important. So, EasyLink, if you guys purchase an EasyLink device, it doesn't come, where you can, for an example, on the rammer here, you can't just grab an EasyLink device and go plug it into the OBD2 and, your truck is magically, everything emissions off, delete, it's done. That's not how EasyLink works. Same goes for like an AutoCal. With EFI Live. These devices, they don't come ready to go. You can get an EasyLink and it's 50 state legal emissions compliant tunes, So I don't know, me personally, I don't think they're gonna win this case. The only reason, I could be completely wrong. They might win, but the only reason is because when you purchase that EasyLink, pretty much it comes with nothing on it. You have to have somebody put this file into the EasyLink for you to do what you need to do to your truck. So I don't know how they're gonna win this. I don't really know. I can't say you can't blame EasyLink, because if that's the case, well then you can go blame AutoCal. EFI Live. I mean, it's the same device. EasyLink, AutoCal, pretty much the same thing, guys. I mean, they both do very close to the same thing to your vehicle. I should go that route. And you guys remember that whole video I did about, if you're gonna modify the truck, try not to put it out there. Try not to, roll coal. For an example, when you look this up, look what pops up here. This is what sucks. Look at this. You got a F250, 350, whatever it is, sitting there rolling coal. So, I understand for the kids out there, 18, 16, 17, that want to get trucks and roll coal. I understand, I can't blame you. I want to do the same thing too. So, I'd be pretty much a hypocrite if I said, oh, I never want to do that either. I understand. It's exciting when you do, and, it is what it is. But when you get old enough and when you get wise enough and you start figuring out that first thing is if you get popped with the deleted truck, you can get in trouble. So for you guys out there to delete a truck, the rammer, we don't got to worry about that. She's all emissions compliant, 50 state legal. So it's just when you present your rolling coal dumping sitting there, someone's gonna get pissed, and someone's either gonna report the truck, your license plate. So you guys gotta be careful. Keep it low key. Now, what does this mean for EasyLink? Well, guys, what this means, and when I'm reading this online, is you better go out there and you better get a damn EasyLink quick, because I am sure they have already stopped selling or put a stop sale to this EasyLink. Now, there are people out there that still have them. I know my buddy Raj. If you guys want one, go DM Raj. He's probably sold out. Now, here's the thing. You got 2 problems. Well, you got a lot more than 2 problems, but the main 2 problems is you're not going to be able to buy these EasyLinks for who knows how long, or if you're ever going to buy them again. Hopefully EasyLink wins this case. Not saying, I'm out there telling you, go delete your truck, but the device, doesn't come ready to go, so you can't blame EasyLink. And then the main number 2 thing is, if someone does have an EasyLink for sale, it is probably going to skyrocket the price. So Pretty much, long story short, guys, if you're looking to do anything to your car, your truck, your vehicle, you better go get an EasyLink now while you can, before they're completely gone, or before they go skyrocket in price and they're gonna be charging an arm and a leg for them. Is somebody gonna come out with something? Of course, guys. It's going to be, I think, nearly impossible to stop the modification world, I should say, or industry for diesels, for vehicles, for anything. I think it's literally going to be impossible. I don't think there will ever be a stop, but I do think it's going to get extremely difficult to, number one, get parts. And you guys think, oh, it's a California thing. No, guys, this is a United States. You know, this is a 50 state. It has nothing to do with living in California. You can live in California or in Texas. Yeah, it's gonna be easier to get parts, but this whole modification world, delete stuff, it's all over. You know, now I'm not speaking for Canada and all that. I'm talking 50 states, okay, United States. So that, it's not just a California thing. You guys got to remember that. So pretty much, if you want an EasyLink, you better go get it now, because the end is near and you're gonna pretty much have nothing. I mean, look at this. You look it up, right? Let me turn this brightness up for you. You look it up, right? And then look at the photo they put. Oh my, you guys are killing me. Don't advertise this, guys. I know it's so hard, but this is it. This is the problem right here. This guy, he's got to go to the dealer. I don't know what's wrong with this Ford. This poor thing, he's got a little issue there. But see, guys, that's it right there. Stop promoting that. It's only hurting us. It's hurting the diesel world. Just hide it. Keep it to yourself. I mean, look at that. Poor PPEI. They just won't leave them alone. They keep using them as an example. Yeah, you know, I guess it could be a good thing for advertising or a bad thing. But, you know, this is it, guys. Now, here's another thing you can do is you don't have to get EasyLink. You know, if you guys are like, oh my gosh, nobody's got an Eddie, go get an AutoCal. You know, I mean, an AutoCal, EFI Live, same thing. They can download, you know, whatever you want on there for your 50 state legal tune, and you can download it in your truck. So there's still other options. Now, for you people that have EasyLink already, I don't think it's going to affect you. The only thing I think is, I don't know, I know they do like cloud-based upgrades and stuff, or changes, you know, where you can change tire size, stuff like that. I don't know what's gonna happen to the people that have EasyLink, so I can't talk for that. I'm sure, I don't know, some of you guys comment down below, let me know if something does happen. But other than that, guys, if you want EasyLink, you better go get it now. But on another note, guys, check this out. So what do you think? You see all this, you know, goodies over here. I've been purchasing some stuff, well, because I've been getting a lot of comments from you guys saying, Eddie, how is the, that's not a bad, right here, how are the lithium iron phosphate batteries? And if you guys are wondering why these two batteries are still here, well, I DM'd the winner for them. He has not DM'd me back. It shows on, you know, little Instagram, see or not, he hasn't seen it yet, you know, it says seen. He has not seen it that he's won. I think he's military, or he might be deployed. Only reason is because his Instagram picture is him in a military uniform. So if he's deployed, you know, stay safe out there. So I'm not giving it away, guys, until he has physically seen that he's won, because that would not be fair for him. I don't know, you know, if they're deployed, if they have internet. It just shows he has not seen it yet. So that's why these are still here. But on another note, a lot of you guys, Eddie, ask me, Eddie, how are these batteries? I bought one. It sucks. It dies. I didn't get the 100 amp like I did. Let me know if you guys think. So I was going to try to get a bunch of these lithium iron phosphate batteries, because these are the new hot thing on the market. I understand they're pricey, guys, but some have a 10-year warranty, 5-year warranty. These things supposedly last forever. They say they're going to outlast the dang trailer. So I was thinking about putting these to the test, checking to see how good they are. If they're worth the money, you know, cutting them open, ripping them open, making like some solar stuff for you guys, trying to pretty much do the stuff at home. Where if you got a toy hauler, you know, where you can get a battery, how you can build a solar system, do it all from home. I'm not no genius when it comes to electricity, but I am really getting into this whole battery and, you know, solar and inverter stuff. It's pretty damn awesome, guys, what you can, just the ability of what you have, what you can make. And I know you're going to ask me about these jacks. I know. I'm going to install them. I have just been cutting, grinding, and measuring perfect, and it's been raining outside, so I can't install them unless I pull the toy hauler in here. but I just don't want to move everything out of the way. It's a pain in the butt. So I've just been waiting on that. So don't worry, you will be getting an install for you on these. But let me know if you guys would be interested in any of you know, the, I don't know, battery stuff. It would mainly be on Eddie's product review channels. Starting that one back up again. And then also it would be control systems. See all these boards? I'd be talking about these, showing you pretty much how they work and why you need a control board to charge a lithium iron phosphate battery. You cannot take a regular like battery charger and go charge one of those batteries. It will not work. You need a special charger, and that's what I'm going to get into. And that's why I've purchased all this stuff, to sort of explain to you guys, sort of test stuff, and see if is it worth the money. You know, are we really getting all this power? Because a lot of the lead acid batteries, you know, they have Pucher's loss, and you don't get, you know, the full effect of it, and you're not supposed to go, you know, below 50% on those batteries. It's not good. For example, like this battery right here, they want you to keep this thing full. Now this, you can't really service it. You know, you can see here, there's no caps, so you can't check the water or anything on that, but they have Pucher's loss. So where if it gets down to 30, 40%, you know, you notice the lights will dim. Well, those lithium iron phosphate batteries do not. So if you go from 100 to 1, you still got full power. So that's what I think. I was going to explain that for you guys, get you guys some more knowledge and educate you on that, and to pretty much explain to you, because some of you guys have said, Eddie, I'm buying a toy hauler and they want to charge me like $2,000 extra for these two batteries. You know, they're going for about 900 bucks. Some you can find them for 700, 800. Some you can even make yourself. So it's pretty insane, guys, what you can do with them. But I'll get into that in another video for you guys. Comment down below if you're interested in that. But other than that, guys, that's the whole deal with the EasyLink, them getting sued, and go buy one if you can still get one. And good luck. That's it. So if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.